What if I told you that companies like Netflix and Amazon can build software updates thousands of times a day without bringing down their platforms? Yeah, that's exactly the kind of problem DevOps were created to solve. Hey guys, I was supposed to join the last session yesterday, but I was pretty much busy in the day, so I ended up using the pre-recorded video after 24 hours that they delivered to their LMS on TS Academy. Yeah, and honestly, it's completely changed my view on how I think software development works. Now, before DevOps, developers and operations teams often work in separate worlds. Developers will write codes and say, it works on my machine, while operations will struggle to make it run in productions. And the results, slow releases, communications breakdown, bugs, downtime, and a whole lot of finger pointing. DevOps changes all that. It's not just learning tools or working with servers. It's the culture that brings development and operations together through collaboration, automation, shared responsibility, and continuous improvement. One thing that stood out for me was the journey of the software itself, which is the lifecycle of DevOps. It doesn't just go from code to customers. It follows a continuous circle, which is from plan to code, to build, to test, to release, to deploy, to operate, and to monitor. Then back to plan again. Then the feedback goes right back into the improved product. Now, whatever test you do, whatever plan you do, instead of complaining, you just make the change and it goes right back into the product. We also explored how the industry evolved from the rigid waterfall model to agile and eventually to DevOps. Now, allowing businesses to innovate faster and respond to customer needs more effectively. And of course, we got introduced to some of the technologies that powered modern DevOps, like Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Cloud Platform, like I said in my previous video. Like I talked about in my previous video. Now, what I'm realizing is that DevOps isn't really about the tools. The tools are important, but the real power comes from the mindset, the collaboration, the automation, the continuous learning, the delivering value faster. This is only the beginning of my DevOps journey, but the foundations we are building is already opening my eyes to how modern technology works. And if you're learning tech or thinking about going into DevOps, follow along. We've got a long way to go together. And drop a fire in the comment section if you're on a learning journey too. Thank you and cheers.